Okay, how to cook bacon and put it on a plate without touching it. You take your fork, you go under here like this, and you roll it like that, and you put it on the plate like that, and you unroll it. Okay, you do 3 pieces. You can do, pick it like that, see, like that. Okay, make it like that, and do like that. 2, you can do 3 on a plate and cook it for 3 minutes in the microwave, maybe 3.5 minutes. If you microwave is 950 watts, which is mine, so it's somewhere between 3.5 minutes. 950 watts is the output. The input, I would think, on mine is like, I don't know, 1500 watts, or you only get 950 out, so not real efficient. But anyways, do like that. Put a paper towel over it. Cook it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Check it. Maybe go another 30 seconds. Alright, how to cook bacon and take it off over here without touching it, getting your hands all icky and all that good stuff. Alright, click like on the video and subscribe. Thanks, bye. Okay, all you do is put the piece of paper towel over the bacon and then cook it in the microwave. Hang on. Okay, and then you put it in the microwave just like that. Okay, cook it for 3 minutes on high, regular. Okay, and it's cooking. Good luck to you. Okay, so it's ready. Let's have a look. Yeah, 3 minutes. I swear to God, sometimes I think it differs between what time of day you use it. Like if the voltage is higher or voltage is higher or lower depending on the time of the day. Anyways, Sunday, 10:42 a.m. Okay. Okay, that should be pretty good. Got a little bacon going there. Poached egg. Just boiled the eggs in water in a saucepan, and a little cheese and a bagel. See how that goes. Should be good. Click like on the video, subscribe. Thanks, bye.